This one affiliate marketing program earned this YouTuber $716,691 just last year. Let me show you how he did it. Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you the best affiliate marketing programs that can make you the most money. Now, I talk a lot about how I made 6 figures blogging my second year on this channel, and the only reason for that was because of affiliate marketing. And as a quick reminder, affiliate marketing is when you refer a product or a service to someone using a unique referral link. If they click on your link and make a purchase, then you earn a commission. I like to say it's how you recommend different products and services to friends. Well, this way you can now get paid for it. I love affiliate marketing because I get paid for helping people. It is like a total win-win, and I'm gonna show you how I did this just the other day. Which leads us to our first one today, which is number 5, the Amazon affiliate marketing program. Now, I just did an updated video on how it all works and how you get your affiliate links, avoid using your social security number, and how my friend Debbie earns $4,000 to $5,000 per month with this one program. So you'll definitely want to check that video out after this one, and I'll link it up here as well. But I posted a video on my YouTube channel the other day, and someone said that they liked the audio quality of my video, and they asked what mic do I use. So you know what I did? I went straight to Amazon, I grabbed my affiliate link for the mic that I use for this channel, and then I sent it to her. So I can get paid just for helping her out. But you have to put yourself out there if you want to make money this way. Now, Amazon has one of the lowest commission rates out there, but because so many people use Amazon, it's an easy decision for a user to go ahead on their platform and purchase something. So you want to use what most people will buy from. And people are making serious money from that. Like I said, my friend's making $4,000 to $5,000 a month on that one program. All right. So the next thing I do want to say before I get to the next one is that affiliate programs you choose, it should be related to your targeted audience. So I can give you a list all day of different affiliate programs, but if they do not serve your audience, they will not help you make any money. I have a blog about moms, but if Power Tools has a good affiliate program, if I'm trying to promote Power Tools to moms, I'm not gonna make any money. So, you need to just focus on the audience that you're serving and promote products and services that can help them. That's how you're gonna make the most money with affiliate marketing. All right, number 4 are custom programs. So if there's a company that doesn't have an affiliate program and you wanna work with them, they will actually make one for you. As long as you have an audience, that is all they care about. So don't write them off if they don't have an affiliate program off. Just reach out to them and tell them what you want to do. Let them know that you want to work some kind of arrangement out and send them leads. I've done it and it works. So if they don't have anything sophisticated set up, they can give you a special coupon code so they'll know that anyone that uses that coupon code and makes a purchase, that came from you. And that's how they can track it that way. Or they can add your name at the end of a checkout process, which they can say like, how did you hear about us? They can add your name. So if anyone clicks that they heard about that company from you, that's another way that they can track that. So there's no reason to say that they don't have anything set up. You can just say, oh, just give me a coupon code or add my name here because I can give you leads. And if you can do that, you can make money. And I'm going to tell you guys, I don't accept anything under 20%. So if you're trying to work out an agreement with someone, you don't know what kind of a percentage you should get, I always say at least start at 20%. What's the worst that can happen? They say no. And I always say, look at your competition as a guide. See what affiliate programs they're promoting and then ask yourself, do I want to promote this company? If you do, go ahead and find out where their affiliate program is and go ahead and apply for it. And you can also use this free Chrome extension I talked about on this channel before, and it's called Strikeout, where it will actually strike out affiliate links used in articles so you can easily identify which links have a no-follow link. And just so you guys know, as a blogger, you're supposed to mark all your affiliate links as no-follow links because you don't want Google to crawl your affiliate links. Not everyone does, but they should. And unfortunately, not everyone is even educated enough to know that you're supposed to do this. And that's why I teach this in my blogging course. And if you guys are a blogger and you want to take it to the next level, definitely check out my site, sixfigureblogblueprint.com. This is my blogging site right there. And this is how, if you want to increase your traffic and income, that's where you're going to want to be. All right. Now, the next affiliate program or the type of affiliate program is software. So anything you need to run your business, most of those products or services have an affiliate program. I know a lot of bloggers who talk about blogging, they make a lot of money on different hosting platforms because if you blog the way that we do, you have to have a host. So if you're teaching someone from an article, which by the way, guys, how-to articles are an excellent way to get conversions from affiliate marketing because the person reading it, they need to go step by step in that article. So they will naturally just click on the link that you say they need to purchase, and then they're gonna click on your link, make a purchase, and then you automatically get credit for it. And they won't even be thinking about that's an affiliate link. They're just trying to follow your guide. Now, I promote SiteGround and Big Scoots on my site, and these are two hosting companies. Now, I love Big Scoots so much, but their referral fee is horrible. It's like $20 or $30. But I still refer them because they are the best. And for me, it is honestly not all about the money. I truly just want to help people. God has supplied all my needs and more. And I have learned along the way that on the long run, if you're just being helpful and honest, people will support you. So that's all I'm just trying to do. I'm just trying to say, even though I don't make that much money off of Big Scoots, I'm still going to tell you, when your blog grows, sign up for Big Scoots because they are an excellent company. But as a beginner, you're going to just need something not as, it's a little bit more expensive. So I promote SiteGround. And I was looking at my numbers the other day when I was preparing for this video, and I could not believe that I had made over $40,000 from SiteGround. And it's from one affiliate program. So that's why I'm telling you guys, that's why I love blogging, and that's why this stuff works. I have a how-to guide on how to create a blog when people are just going step by step, and you guys know my stuff is helpful, so I'm just like being helpful, helping you guys out. You have to pay for hosting anyway. You just end up doing it when you're clicking on my link. So that's how this stuff works. And I'm just being honest. I use SiteGround. I had no problems with them, and that's why I promote these things to you guys. I use most of the stuff that I promote. And that's why it's like a win-win for me. I get to help you and I get to make money at the same time. That's why I love this stuff. And it doesn't even have to be about blogging. It probably won't once you first get started. I actually make more with other companies and it's not anything related to blogging. So just think about what software products that you use and then think about how you can promote them. Number 2 is courses. Now, online courses is the new way to learn, and you can learn more and earn more through an online course than going to college right now. Depending on what you're majoring in, but that's the truth. I know it sounds crazy. Now, I recommend a lot of helpful courses on my website that can help people make more money. So when someone clicks on my unique referral link and purchases a course, then I earn a nice commission because many of these courses are around $2,000 and up. So if you've taken a course or if there's a course in your niche that others could learn from, see if you can promote it on your platform and you can make a really great income from courses alone. And now number 1 is Skillshare. This one affiliate marketing program earned this YouTuber $716,691 just last year. Let me show you how I did it. Now, Skillshare is a learning community for creators. Anyone can take an online class, watch video lessons, create projects, and even teach a class themselves. Now, Ali has about 8 classes that he teaches on Skillshare, and he gets a nice amount of views on his videos. Now, as a teacher, you get paid for the number of minutes watched by students in their classes each month. Teachers typically earn between 5 cents and 10 cents per minute watch. So he gets paid from people watching his videos and from affiliate sales. So right now, Skillshare is offering 40% commission, which is up to $67 for every new customer you refer to Skillshare. So from a combination of his own videos and affiliate sales, that is how he's made so much. He even has a special deal with them right now, probably because he gets so many views, that they give him $10 for everyone that signs up for their free trial using his unique referral link. So they don't even have to sign up and actually pay for him to get money. That's the deal that they have right now, and that's the deal that I want. And just so you guys know, you can negotiate with these affiliate programs. So as more people are clicking on your referral link and you're seeing that you're getting a nice amount of conversions, you can go to them and say, hey, I'm doing a lot for you right now. Is there anything that we can do to work out? And most of the time they will say yes. I've done this for almost all the affiliate programs that I do very well with. I go to them and say, hey, I've been doing really good for you guys. What can you do for me? And I have always increased my commissions because they want my partnership. They want me to continue to bring leads to them. So I want to do the same thing with Skillshare. And I'm like late to the game on this because Erin on Demand, she's a new YouTuber that I absolutely love. She's doing the same thing. So basically, if you go to her Instagram and click on her link in bio, just go to her Vlogging for Business course. And if you click on that, you can see that you have to sign up for Skillshare to watch that course. So anytime someone actually signs up to watch her video, she not only gets paid for people watching her video on Skillshare, she also gets the affiliate commissions as well when they sign up. And hopefully they'll sign up and become a premium user. So needless to say, I'm going to start doing the exact same thing and teaching some lessons that I know a lot of people are interested in on Skillshare. So just think about what you can teach and then drive people to your Skillshare page and do the exact same thing, all right? So I want you guys to do this. I'm gonna document this whole entire process, and then I wanna show you guys how I'm doing on Skillshare, but I want Skillshare to sponsor that video. So I want you guys to click on my Impact link that I'm gonna put in the description below, because in order to sign up for Skillshare, you need to go through Impact first. That's the affiliate marketing network. Sign up for Impact, it's a free account, and then find Skillshare, and that is how you join their affiliate marketing program. So go ahead and do that. Click on my link in the description below. So then I can show Skillshare. I get a lot of people that are clicking on my links, so you should sponsor a video for mine. And then I'm gonna share with you guys all of my details on how I'm making money on this platform so I can help you as well. So make sure if you guys wanna use Skillshare as well, click on my link below so I can help you earn more money and just kind of follow my process. And I'm just gonna obviously share all that stuff with you guys. So if you're still watching this video, I love to ask you guys to say like, hey, Whit, I made it. Like, comment below. I love to know that people actually watch the very end of my video, because that means that, like, you know, someone is actually still here. I love to know that. So if you can just put in the description below and say, hey, Whit, I made it. And I'm sorry my voice is all scratchy today, but I did want to share this information with you guys. I hope you found this video helpful. And as always, thank you for watching. If you guys are not subscribed to my email list yet, I don't know what you're doing. So go ahead and I'll put that in the description below as well, so you can stay updated on all things blogging. All right? Thanks for watching, guys, and have a great day.